Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin is moving, okay, and as well as how the Bitcoin can move in the next week as well as in the next month. But overall I am giving you a view for the next month and next week. Okay. So because it's around 25th where the months also end, so categorically I'm telling you how it will go in the next month. See, look at this chart. This is a 5-year chart, okay, where I'll tell you, look at this pattern. The Bitcoin was around at this level, okay, 1064 in 2000, okay, till April. From January 17 it was in the range of around 700 to 1000, but after that it made a high. I'll tell you the date also. At around 28th December 17th, around this, in December period, the Bitcoin had made a new high, and from there it continuously in the declining way, and it has declined so much and made a low of 3243 around, okay, at this level 32 around. So what I wanted to tell you, that because of some policy changes, the price of the Bitcoin has declined at this level, okay. It is not allowed. There is no proper way of trading in the here, because as we know that it is a digital currency, okay. So now if you look at this pattern, Bitcoin was moving in a particular region from 18th to 20th, okay, in this particular range, and after breaking the range it made a new high, and you can see it made a new high of 61894 around this, okay. So this is a 5-6 years chart I have shown you, because where it has made a high in 2017, and after breaking that resistance point, okay, and 5 more than 500, okay, and then made a new that's around 19500, that made a new high, and now it is trading, made a new high of 61712. So if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, where I discuss how we can hedge your position, or how we can reduce the loss, or how we can trade. But that is all my personal view, okay. And if what you can do is, you can attend my workshop also and join my Telegram channel also, link in the description. What I have to tell you, that something that the price after touching a high, all-time high, it moved so high from December 20, okay. This is also made in December, and this is also made in December. So there is high probability that, because this is a resistance one, okay, once this is crossed, then we have seen a good upside movement in the Bitcoin. So now what we can see in the next few years, or next month, okay, or this current month. See, look at this chart. This, I'll show you a 5-year chart, okay. This is a 5-year chart. Now in 1 year, how the Bitcoin have moved. It has moved, see, look at the low in 1 year, 6043. Now the price is made a high of 61, around 700. You can imagine how much time the Bitcoin has moved high, okay. What we can expect in the next month, if you look at a 6-month chart, I'm just telling you the proper overview. You have to You have to watch the full video, then only you will understand how the Bitcoin is moving. Okay, look at this pattern. It is a 6-month chart, continuously in uptrend. Okay, so once this range is break upside again, then we can see a good upside movement. Okay, if you look at 3 months chart, still in 3 months the low it has made is around 29. Okay, 29,000 around, and made a high of 58. You getting me? 58,320 around. This is want to tell you that it has doubled the money. You can see it is around 27 January 2001 and made a high of, in just 1 month it has doubled the money. Okay, the Bitcoin is moving so high. So now if you look at 1 month chart, what 1 month chart says, see, this is a 1 month chart. The price of Bitcoin is moving. See, first what it does, it was moving in this particular range, and after breaking that range it was moving in this particular range, made a new high for that particular month, and then again moving in a particular range. So now if we look for a long term, we can see that the price of Bitcoin is moving high and higher. Okay, but if we look at a 1 month chart, the price of Bitcoin was moving in a particular range, but you can see the range also. The low is around 43 and the high was around 61. Okay, 61,800 around. Low is around 43. It's a big movement. Okay, you getting me? Still movement. Now I'll show you 5-day chart. This is a 5-day chart. You can see the movement 53 and made a new high of 59. Sorry, made a high of 60. This is a 5-day chart. See the difference in 5 days. 5 days and difference you can calculate. Okay, it is around 53 low. Okay, 53,225 low and made a high of 60.5. 7,000 difference. So now if we look at 1 day how chart, the price of the Bitcoin moving in a particular day, okay, or have moved in the recent day, okay, or have moved in a recent day. Look at this. The price of Bitcoin made a new high for the day is at around 58,917 and made a low around 57. Okay, 59 means it is particularly making a movement of 2,000 in a particular day. You getting me? This is a low and this is a high. This kind of volatility you will see in a particular day. Now what we can see, the price of Bitcoin in the next month, in this month, okay, for a particular week, in this particular week. So look at this. If the price of Bitcoin moves above 59,440, then we can see it can touch a level of 60,915. Okay, and if it goes above and if it touch this level 915, then we can see it can touch a level of 61,547 very soon. Okay, once 51,547 is touched, which is a, then it can touch all-time high, which is at around 61,800. Once this is break, then we can see a more upside movement in the Bitcoin. Okay, once if the Bitcoins move below 57,755, okay, then we can see a next is at around 56,900, and if it goes below this level, then we can see that around 56,350. And once this level is break downside, then we can expect it can touch a level of 54,500, and if it breaks this level, then we can see it can touch a level 53,190. Once 53,190 is touched, then the next level we can see is around 56,600. Once 52,600 is touched, we can see this is the strong support. If if it break this level, because it's a strong support, if it breaks down this level, then we can see it can touch a level of, after breaking 52, then we can expect it can touch a level 50,171. okay, this is what we can see in the next month, in the next particular week. So if you look at this 5-day chart, what we can see, because this is the resistance, this is all-time high. okay, this is this is around the resistance we can see. okay, the first resistance we can see is at around 58,929. once this is touched, and if it cross upside, then we can see that around, this is R2, resistance 1 and resistance 2, and if it touch this level, then we can see R3 is at around 6115. okay, if it touch this level, then we can see R4 is around 6632. once this is touched, then we can see it can touch all-time high and then can move upside. Or if it goes downside, then we can see S1 is around 58,047. this is a S1 is 58,047, and if it goes below this level, then we can see 57,800 is S2, and once this is touched, then we can see that around 57,000, which is S3. once this is touched, and if it cross downside, then the next support we can see that around 56,250, and if this is crossed, because we can see it is a strong support, then the level we can see is at around 55,400. okay, this is what I have explained you regarding bitcoins. okay, this is a support and resistance point. See, we can see this pattern is created. once this pattern is break down or upside, then we'll definitely see an upside or downside movement, and I've already explained the resistance and support point where the bitcoin can move up and down. okay, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.